See you in the garden. Okay, so I'm going to harvest these hydroponic onions. Harvest the hydroponic onions, and they're looking really good, most of them down in there. Well, a lot of them, but they're started to bolt, so I've got to get them out. As you can see, I'll separate these bolting ones and try and cure the ones that haven't bolted. So you can see down in here, hydroponic onions, the best crop I've got so far. They all bolted last year, so I'm going to try and beat the bolting. So I'll just get them in the wheelbarrow. I'm just going to lay them on an old screen door, separate the bolted ones from the other ones, and try and cure them. Alright, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I can tell that this one is bolted. I've actually nipped the top off that one. So I'll put those up there. If they haven't bolted, I'm just going to lay them out like this, top and tail them, get them dried. Probably not enough room here. Yeah, that one's alright. Alright. Some of these are really small, but that's life. That one's bolted. That one's bolted. That one's alright. That one's alright. That one's bolted. So I'll show you, just in case you didn't know what bolted means. Here's a really good example. The middle one that comes out begins to make a seed pod. Okay, we have to eat these ones straight away pretty much. Okay, so these are all the ones that are bolted. Unfortunately, of course, it's all the biggest ones, mostly. But that's life. And hopefully I can cure these, at least have some for longer storage and save myself some freezer space. Anyway, it's all because we got those 4 hot days in a row. Okay, well that's it for this. Not totally disappointing, but at least I can freeze, once I process these onions I can freeze them and obviously still use them. So look, I'll see you next time folks. Bye for now.